Self-order kiosk systems. Your self-order kiosk will increase order quality and improve the client satisfaction. Installing a self-order kiosk system, a structured management computer kiosk system, would permit you to meet your customers' needs. They're going to relish using SelfOrder to allow them to add and create easily bespoke customized orders of their own design. Facilitates quicker service with SelfOrder. When customers place and design their order themselves, it considerably reduces every kind of possible on-counter face-to-face errors. The restaurateur will deploy the personnel to a lot of necessary and strategic areas. This will then allow you to be able to focus a lot on client retention. A self-ordering kiosks allows your guests to quickly place the order and additionally allows them to customize their orders. Adding additional paid toppings or opt for extra items which are included as pop-ups automatically are some ways in which to increase your revenue. You'll be able to therefore gain a very healthy ROI. Lower the labor and different operational costs. In order to cut back needed expenses, it's necessary to automate your systems. The self-order system can assist QSRs in streamlining their outlay and increase productivity. Eliminates order queues and greatly reduces the workers' work. Accurate generated bills. Our self-ordering kiosks are bespoke touchscreen computers connected together with your restaurant's POS computer code. However, in contrast to POS system, it doesn't need workers and rather it allows the shoppers to method the order.